autem, ille, et teris, iartatus, et alto, vi superum, saevae, et modum, doni.
All that's known in history and science, overthrown at school, at home by blind men. You doubt them, and soon they'll bark and hound you. So everything you say is just another bad about you. All they say is trust in what is written. Wars are made, and somehow that is wisdom. Thought is suspect, money is their idol, and nothing is okay unless it's written in their Bible. I know there's so much more to find than looking through myself and not at them. Still I know to trust my own true mind and to say there's a way through this. On I go to wander and to learning, name the star and know their dark returning. I'm calling to know the world's true yearning, a hunger that a child feels for everything they're shown. You watch me, just watch me, I'm calling, and one day all will know. You watch me, just watch me, I'm calling.